The Baramulla parliamentary constituency is one of the 49 seats voting in the fifth phase of Lok Sabha elections 2024. The constituency is North Kashmir. In North Kashmir is one of the 3 seats in the Kashmir division of Jammu and Kashmir, other than Srinagar and Anantnag Rajouri, where the BJP has not fielded any candidates. The seat comprises of assembly segments in the Baramulla, the Kupwara, Bandipora and Budgam districts. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister and National Conference leader Omar Abdullah and Jammu and Kashmir People's Conference Chief Sajad Lone are the main contenders for this seat. Independent candidate Abdul Rashid Sheikh, popularly known as Engineer Rashid, is also in the fray, along with PDP candidate Fayaz Ahmed Mir. EC has set up 21 booths in Jammu, 4 in Delhi, and a booth in Udhampur for displaced Kashmiri Pandits. Over 27,000 displaced Kashmiri Pandits are eligible to vote for Baramulla Lok Sabha seats. However, over 19,000 names have been mapped and they can vote today.
In the fifth phase of polling, Baramulla is also voting today. Baramulla parliamentary constituency is now currently, after the delimitation of 2022, 2 more assembly segments of Budgam district had been included in the parliamentary constituency, and we are seeing since morning huge and long queues of the voters outside most of the polling stations in the parliamentary constituency. The contest here is triangular, as the former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah is contesting from the Baramulla parliamentary constituency, and against him is the People's Conference leader supported by Apni Party. Sajad Lone is also in the contest, as well as the contest has become much interested after the entry of Engineer Rashid as an independent candidate. Engineer Rashid is currently jailed in the Tihar jail for last 5 years, and he had pulled the crowds in his rallies which was being organized by his son and other supporters in North Kashmir. As far as this parliamentary constituency is concerned, the battle is being seen as a triangular between Omar Abdullah, Sajad Lone as well as Engineer Rashid. More than 17 lakh voters, mostly in the border districts of Bandipora, Kupwara and Baramulla, are in this parliamentary constituency, which has always shown the good turnout, but being the turnout in the Srinagar very high, it is believed that there will be a record turnout across the Baramulla parliamentary constituency in 2024 parliamentary elections. Ashrafani, for India Today in Budgam.
It's firmly a triangular contest as far as Baramulla constituency is concerned. Huge voter turnout expected, and of course security arrangements are there. According to police sources, there are multiple companies, hundreds of companies of paramilitary that have been deployed across North Kashmir to ensure the day goes on peacefully, especially since last 2 days have seen some attacks, including the killing of a BJP sarpanch. So obviously there is emphasis on ensuring foolproof security. But as far as the festival of democracy is concerned, today, as far as the 3 seats of Kashmir go, biggest polling and biggest voter turnout is expected in North Kashmir constituency. Camperson Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Budgam for India Today.
हमले के बाद तो बीजेपी को ये दावा करना नहीं चाहिए। जहां तक यहाँ आम तौर पे जो है हालात कुछ हद तक लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के लिहाज से ठीक है, उसका क्रेडिट तो यहाँ के लोगों को जाता है। उन्होंने यहाँ जो है कानून को अपने हाथ में नहीं लिया, उन्होंने हालात बिगाड़े नहीं, जबकि हुकूमत ने उनको तंग और दबाने में कोई कसर बाकी नहीं रखी।
सर, आखिर भी इतना बताएं, उमर साहब किसको अपना सबसे ज्यादा हरीफ मानते हैं?
मेरे पास ना ये मैं कैसे कह सकता हूँ।
प्रधानमंत्री जी, मेरे पिता फौज में थे। बचपन से ही हम कश्मीर जाते रहे, हर गर्मी सर्दी की छुट्टी में। इस बार मैं जब चुनाव कवर करने गया तो मैंने देखा बारामूला, अनंतनाग ऐसी जगहों पे प्रचार चल रहा था, लोग जुड़ रहे थे लोकतंत्र के उत्सव में, जहां पर पहले सेना की गाड़ी जब निकलती थी लोग ऊपर देखते थे खिड़की से कहीं गोली ना चले। वहां नेता खुले में प्रचार कर रहे हो, रात को 9-10 बजे तक लाल चौक खुला है, दुकानें खुली हैं, शॉपिंग हो रही। इसके बाद आप कश्मीर में क्या देखते हैं? व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट फॉर कश्मीर आफ्टर, जहां तक हम पहुंचे नेक्स्ट क्या है?
पहले मीडिया स्वीकार करे, और मैं जब आपके सामने बैठा हूं तो मैं आपको नहीं कह रहा हूं, मैं पूरे इस आपकी फ्रेटर्निटी को कहना चाहता हूं। मैं अभी कुछ दिन पहले मेरा एक कार्यक्रम था जम्मू कश्मीर में, शायद 40 साल के बाद इतनी बड़ी रैली हुई थी। कमेंट क्या होती थी? सरकारी आदमी ला करके बैठा दिया, सरकारी। आप देश का भला करना चाहते कि नहीं करना चाहते? अब उनके मुंह पर ताले लग जाएंगे जब कल 40% करीब कोई वोटिंग देखेंगे। और उन्होंने, साहब मेरी इच्छा है कि चुनाव ये फेस्टिवल होना चाहिए। चुनाव ये जाकर के एक मैंने यार चलो निकल डाल के आए, ऐसा नहीं, ये शुड बी फेस्टिवल। मैं देख रहा था श्रीनगर में फेस्टिवल का मूड था जी, लोग चाय पिला रहे थे, लोग तालियां बजा रहे थे, लोग गाने गा रहे थे, यानी सच में दे वर सेलिब्रेटिंग। मुझे बड़ा, मेरे लिए खुशी का दिन था।